Dyanora Sigma 43-inch Full HD LED Smart Linux TV. Product information. Create a theater-like environment in your bedroom or living room by bringing home the Dyanora Sigma 108 cm 43-inch Linux Smart Full HD TV. This TV offers a wide range of color shades and realistic images to enhance your viewing experience. Also, it features a sophisticated bezel-less screen that lends an appealing ambience to your living room decor and also intensifies your viewing area. Moreover, this TV comes with a 40 watts sound output so that you can indulge in cinematic audio that complements the stunning visuals. For more information, description link. Thanks for watching. Like, comment and subscribe.